Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a document from the Federal Home Loan Bank of Pittsburgh. Don't let the name fool you, this isn't about your everyday mortgage. This report involves obligations. Basically, it's like a financial IOU. Let's see what secrets this report holds, and whether or not Pittsburgh's financial house is in order. This is a Form 8K filing, which means the Federal Home Loan Bank of Pittsburgh is reporting a significant event. In this case, it involves the creation of a direct financial obligation. Think of it as the bank taking on new debt. The main point of this filing is about how the Federal Home Loan Bank of Pittsburgh gets its money. They don't get it from regular customers like you and me. Instead, they sell something called consolidated obligations, which are basically bonds and notes. It's a way for them to borrow money from the market. These consolidated obligations are not backed by the US government, so it's a risk that investors take when buying these bonds. Only the financial resources of the Federal Home Loan Banks are backing these. Schedule A is where the details are. It tells us about all the bonds and discount notes that the Federal Home Loan Banks, including the one in Pittsburgh, have promised to issue. It's like a list of all their IOUs. However, it usually excludes notes that mature in less than a year. The bank can change how they report this information at any time. Keep in mind, they aren't saying that any single bond is a big deal by itself. This report doesn't tell you everything. It doesn't include details about interest rate swaps, which are agreements to exchange interest payments. The report also doesn't show you how the total amount of debt is changing because it leaves out some short-term notes. To get the full picture, you have to look at their regular financial reports. The numbers in Schedule A show the original amount of the debt, which may not be exactly what's in their financial statements because of discounts or premiums. The most important part of this filing is Schedule A, or Exhibit 99.1. It is a summary of all bonds and notes issued by the Federal Home Loan Banks. Let's take a quick look. Unfortunately, there is no actual schedule in this filing. It just references it, so we can't dig into specific numbers this time. Now let's analyze this 8K filing. This filing is routine. The Federal Home Loan Bank of Pittsburgh is basically saying they are selling bonds to raise money, which is what they usually do. There's no specific bad news in this report. It is more of a risk disclosure that they are obligated to do. It's important to remember that the Federal Home Loan Banks aren't backed by the government, so there is always a bit of risk involved. Overall, there is no specific reason to worry based on this report. This is just a routine update. Thanks for watching Corporate Decoder. If you found this analysis helpful, please give us a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more easy to understand financial breakdowns. Stay informed, and we'll see you next time.